Hello, my name is Billy Martin and I'm the chairman on the Botetourt County Board of Supervisors. I'm pleased to be able to provide my 9th message to the residents and businesses of Botetourt County. The hot weather has come and summer is here, and after nearly 3 months of living with stay-at-home orders and public life being disrupted, I know that we all are ready for a change of pace. But I still urge you to be vigilant, make good choices, and try to keep yourself and loved ones safe and healthy during these times. COVID-19 has not gone away, and many still struggle across our state and nation. And I trust that each and every one of us will continue to do our parts to help keep our community healthy. On that note, last week we hosted a virtual community education session called Preventing the Surge, COVID-19 with Dr. Kirk Ring. Now, Dr. Kirk Ring is a resident of Botetourt County and an infectious disease specialist who has worked on various disease outbreaks around the world. His presentation and the question and answer session that followed was top-notch and highly informative as we seek ways to reopen our society. Now, if you have not seen the video of the session, I would encourage you to visit the county's Facebook page or the county's COVID-19 update website. It is available through the county's homepage at botetourtva.gov. Dr. Kirk Ring's message was especially timely because today I would like to talk with you about the initial plans to reopen county government offices and services. This is going to be an incremental approach so that we can monitor the pandemic situation in the world and assess how we react. Botetourt County has planned to begin scheduling regular appointments for in-person services at most county offices beginning on Monday, June the 15th. Now, these initial services will proceed slowly and continue many of the innovative practices that offices and staff have already put into place over the past few months. These practices have maintained a high level of service to the citizens and businesses of the county, and I am proud of the work that staff has done while working remotely. That being said, and moving forward, staff will continue to work remotely as much as possible while also staggering the time in the office to handle the appointments. Employees not working remotely will wear face coverings or masks and maintain physical distancing when in the workplace. All visitors coming to county offices and facilities are encouraged to do the same to help promote the health and safety of the public and employees. The County Administrator's Office, Community Development, Economic Development, and Purchasing will be open by appointment beginning June the 15th. And anyone wishing to do business with these departments should schedule an appointment in advance to ensure the necessary staff is present to best serve you. Moreover, any visitor needing curbside service due to accessibility needs should request that from staff in advance. Contact information for each of the offices is available on the county's website or by calling 540-928-2000. Recreation and facilities offices will be open by appointment beginning June 15th as well. The senior van program will also resume services on June 15th, and staff will be reaching out to the regular riders in advance to assess program needs. Park pavilions will be open for rentals beginning June 27th. Now, rentals can be made in advance by calling the offices, and users are encouraged to maintain physical distancing at their events. Additional information about the county's parks will be shared as it is available. And at this time, no decision has been made regarding sports programs. The county continues to await guidance from the state for these programs. Updated information will be shared on the department's website at bocorecreation.info or provided by calling 540-928-2000. 2130. Botetourt County Libraries have continued to offer many services during the pandemic, including digital resources, virtual programs, and phone help. The Summer Reading Challenge is now in progress and runs through July the 24th. This year's challenge features a new digital platform and app called Beanstack, which allows participants to track reading, earn digital prizes. Sign up at botetourtva.beanstack.org to get that information. On June the 15th, book drops will reopen at all 4 Botetourt County Library locations for returning materials from any Roanoke Valley library. Starting on Monday, June 22nd, Botetourt County Libraries will offer curbside hold pickup services. Patrons may place holds on items and pick them up during specified curbside delivery days and times. Please check the library's website at bocolibraries.info or call 540-928-2900 for updates. Offices focusing primarily on internal county services such as financial services, human resources, and technology services will continue to work remotely or in the office as needed. Anyone seeking an in-person appointment with these departments are encouraged to reach out to staff in advance and only when such a meeting is necessary. Lastly, our essential service departments and offices such as the landfill, maintenance, central garage, inspections, and fire and EMS have remained fully in place throughout these past months and will continue to do so, along with the Sheriff's Department, the Commissioner of Revenue, the Treasurer, courts, cooperative extension, social services, and voter registration and elections. I would like to thank everyone who has done so much to serve the citizens and businesses of Botetourt County day in and day out during the height of the pandemic. As we continue to assess the ongoing impacts of the pandemic and reopening, we will provide updated information as available. Now I'd like to take a moment to address the recent events that have caused significant unrest in communities across the nation. The tragic death of George Floyd in Minneapolis, Minnesota sparked a fuse nationwide and caused many citizens to take to the streets in protest of abuse of power and systematic racism. While the majority of protests around the country have been peaceful, in some cases, protests have turned violent and resulted in damaged property, significant physical and financial loss to businesses, and more loss to life. While here in Botetourt County, we have been relatively isolated from the worst parts of this situation, this national dialogue has still been on the hearts and minds of each of our community leaders. The activities that have transpired over the last 2 weeks have been tragically difficult to watch and for some, even to endure. But they are sparking important conversations and presenting opportunities for meaningful reflection and community improvement. Every leader I know has taken this opportunity to look at the policies, directives, and actions that they control. I'm heartened that so many are earnestly looking for better ways forward. And I am thankful that many of you are working for community advancement through open, honest communication, and just as importantly, that everywhere I look, people seem to be listening to each other with open minds and hearts. This is a vulnerable moment for many, but when we make the needs of our fellow community members a priority, we all benefit. With a global pandemic, economic downturn, and now this situation, it has definitely been a difficult past few months. But we are resilient, and as always, I am proud to serve each of you and to share our beautiful Botetourt County. Again, thank you for your time today, and may God continue to richly bless you, your family, in Botetourt County. Thank you.